Hello guys, what's up? We are back again with another question from our DSA challenge series. So let's get started. So guys, today our question is Dota to Senate. It is a problem with very big description. So let us understand using demonstration only. So in this question, we are given a string which consists of two types of characters, R and D, where R represents a particular party known as radiant and D represents a party known as dire. And we need to, there are some rules and we need to identify which party will win the election. So election will be held in rounds. Okay. So in every round, these many at max people can be processed or asked to vote. Now, what are the rules of the game? So, okay, let's see here. In every chance, senator, what is senator? Senators are these. A senator can make another senator lose all its rights in this and the following rounds. Okay, so that means if I am R at this particular moment, so I can take one of these D's voting rights. Okay, I can take one of these D's voting rights. Now, if there are no D's, then I can declare R as winner. That's all. That's the problem. So, if I am at this position, I can take one of the D's voting rights, or if there were no D's, then we can simply declare R as winner. So, how we can solve this problem? We can solve this problem using two queues. We can have two queues, namely R and D, and we can initially store indexes. As the earlier the index, the earlier will be the chance to cast vote. Okay, so we can store indexes of R and D's in these. So according to this example, R is at 0 and 3 and D is at 1, 2 and 4. Now we will iterate the stacks. Okay, so in the first round, we will compare these tops, Q dot top and Q dot. So which one is smaller will get the first chance. So R is smaller. So R can eliminate this D. Now what we will do? We will also push this R this way. Why? We will pop and we will push this adding up N. Because adding up N so that it is used now in the next round only. Okay. So this is what we are doing. We are pushing it for the next round. So we will add up N in that index and push it back into the queue. Now we will compare 3 and 2. So 2 is what? 2 is smaller. So 3 will be popped and 2 will be popped and added with N added. Okay. So then we will encounter what? Then we will encounter O plus N. I'm sorry. Then we will encounter yeah, this consists of N and this consists of 4. So 4 is less than N. So this will be popped and 4 will be pushed. So in the end, who won? Okay, so this queue becomes empty. So the winner of this problem will be our dire. Okay. So in this way, this problem solution was dire. Let's see through code, guys, how we can do that. So it's very that much only what we have done in the demonstration. So we are first pushing, we are keeping two queues and we are pushing the indexes depending upon the uh, index. Now if r dot empty, then we will return dire. If d dot empty, then we will return radian. So if initially only they are not present, then we will return. Now we will run our loop. If r dot front is less than d dot front, then we will pop from d, and then we will, what we will do? We will increment I plus n and push it into r, and we will r dot pop. We will do r dot pop. Else case, that is r dot front is greater than d dot front. That means we have to pop from r, and then we will push d I plus n. Lastly, we will check if r dot empty. We will return dia, else we will return radian. So yeah, guys, this is all from this question. Thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. Just in case you like the question, you like the video, make sure you hit the like button, press the subscribe button, share it with your friends. Thank you so much, guys. We shall see you next time.